The Tramontina Professional Fry Pan, 12-inch, is a versatile and high-quality cookware option suitable for a wide range of cooking needs. Manufactured by Tramontina, a well-known brand in the industry, this fry pan is constructed from durable aluminum, ensuring even heat distribution and excellent cooking performance. One of the standout features of this fry pan is its compatibility with all cookware types, making it ideal for use on gas and electric stovetops. The pan's satin color gives it a sleek and professional look, adding a touch of style to your kitchen. With a generous capacity of 12 inches, this fry pan provides ample space for cooking a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to sautés. Additionally, its dishwasher-safe design makes cleaning up a breeze, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Overall, the Tramontina Professional Fry Pan, 12-inch, is a dependable and high-performing cookware option that caters to a wide range of cooking needs. Whether you're a professional.
The all-clad HA1 hard anodized non-stick fry pan set is a sophisticated addition to any kitchen. Crafted by a reputable brand known for quality cookware, this set combines durability with excellent cooking performance. The HA1 material ensures even heat distribution, allowing for perfectly cooked meals every time. One standout feature of this fry pan set is its dishwasher-safe design, making cleanup a breeze. The attractive HA1 color adds a touch of elegance to your cooking space, while the lightweight construction makes handling easy. With a capacity of 1 pound, these pans are versatile and ideal for various culinary tasks. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the all-clad HA1 hard anodized non-stick fry pan set offers exceptional value and performance. Invest in this set to elevate your cooking experience and enjoy delicious meals with ease.
The Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set 10 is a remarkable addition to any kitchen. Crafted with high-quality aluminum, this fry pan set promises exceptional durability and heat distribution, ensuring that your meals are cooked perfectly every time. The hard anodized construction makes these pans resistant to scratches and corrosion, prolonging their lifespan. One standout feature of this set is its non-stick coating, which allows for easy food release and effortless cleaning. Whether you're flipping pancakes or sautéing vegetables, the non-stick surface ensures that your food slides out smoothly without sticking. Gas stovetop compatibility further adds to the versatility of these pans, making them suitable for a wide range of cooking methods. The sleek gray color of the set adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, while the 10 cubic inches capacity provides ample cooking space for various recipes. In conclusion, the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set.
The Ninja C30026 Foodie Never Stick Premium 10.25-inch fry pan is a top-tier kitchen essential that exemplifies quality and innovation. Crafted by Ninja, a renowned brand in the culinary industry, this fry pan showcases a perfect blend of functionality and style. Made from premium aluminum, this pan is not only durable but also ensures even heat distribution for thorough and precise cooking results. The slate gray color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor, making it a stylish addition to your culinary arsenal. One of the standout features of the Ninja C30026 fry pan is its compatibility with various stovetops. Whether you have a gas, electric, or induction stovetop, this pan is designed to deliver exceptional performance across all platforms, making it a versatile choice for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. With a generous capacity of 11.36 liters, this fry pan provides ample space for your cooking needs, whether you're sautéing vegetables, searing meats.
This Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Made from durable aluminum with a special non-stick coating, this set of fry pans is designed to last. The gas stovetop compatibility makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking needs. With a sleek black color and a capacity of 5 quarts, these fry pans are not only practical, but also stylish. The handle is made of a combination of anodized, silicone, and metal materials, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip while cooking. One of the standout features of this set is its dishwasher-safe design, making cleanup a breeze. Moreover, these fry pans are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, adding to their versatility in the kitchen. The Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan set includes 3 pieces: an 8-inch fry pan, a 12-inch fry pan, and a 10.25-inch fry pan. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or searing, this set has you covered. Manufactured by Tefal, a reputable brand.
The Tramontina, 80,114 535ths deciseconds. Professional aluminum non-stick restaurant fry pan is a top-of-the-line cookware item that effortlessly combines quality with practicality. This fry pan, made by Tramontina, a reputable brand in the industry, boasts a robust construction using durable aluminum material that ensures efficient heat distribution and long-lasting performance. One of the standout features of this fry pan is its non-stick coating, which enables easy food release and cleaning. The silicone handle stays cool to the touch, providing a comfortable and secure grip while cooking. Moreover, the pan is oven-safe and can withstand temperatures of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, offering versatility in various cooking methods. The 10-inch capacity of this fry pan makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks, from sautéing and frying to searing and browning. Its compatibility with gas and electric stovetops, along with being dishwasher safe, adds to its convenience and user-friendly. This Gotham Steel 9.5-inch non-stick frying pan by E. Michon and Sons is a versatile and reliable addition to any kitchen. Crafted with ceramic material, this frying pan is designed to provide exceptional cooking performance and durability. The non-stick coating ensures that your food cooks evenly and prevents sticking, making it a breeze to clean up after use. One standout feature of this frying pan is its dishwasher-safe design, allowing for easy and convenient cleaning. The handle, made of a combination of ceramic and steel, stays cool to the touch during cooking, offering a comfortable and safe grip. With a maximum temperature resistance of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this pan is oven-safe, adding to its versatility in the kitchen. Its compatibility with gas stoves makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking needs. The Gotham Steel 9.5-inch frying pan is recommended for versatile cooking applications, ideal for various dishes from stir-fries to sautés. Its compact size and lightweight design.
The Blue Diamond Cookware. Diamond-infused ceramic non-stick 10 inches frying pan. Skillet is a standout addition to any kitchen. Crafted by the reputable brand Blue Diamond, known for its quality cookware, this skillet boasts a unique combination of diamond-infused ceramic and aluminum materials, making it durable and long-lasting. One of the key features of this frying pan is its non-stick surface, which not only ensures easy food release but also makes cleaning a breeze. The diamond-infused ceramic coating is PFOA, PFAS, cadmium, and lead-free, guaranteeing safe cooking for you and your family. This skillet is not only versatile but also practical, suitable for both gas and electric stovetops. The vibrant blue color adds a touch of style to your kitchen, while the generous 5-quart capacity allows you to cook larger meals with ease. In conclusion, the Blue Diamond Cookware Diamond, infused ceramic non-stick 10 inches. Frying pan skillet offers exceptional quality, convenience, and safety.
The OXO Good Grips Pro 10 inches frying pan. Skillet is a top-quality kitchen essential that stands out for its exceptional design and performance. Made from hard anodized non-stick aluminum with a stainless steel handle, this skillet offers both durability and functionality. The special non-stick feature ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, making it a convenient choice for everyday cooking. This skillet is designed for gas stovetops and is dishwasher safe for added convenience. It is also oven safe up to 10 degrees Celsius, providing versatility for a wide range of recipes. The stainless steel handle stays cool to the touch during cooking, offering a comfortable and secure grip. With a sleek black color and a 10-inch capacity, the OXO Good Grips Pro Skillet is a versatile addition to any kitchen. The product dimensions of 16 into 10 into 2 inches and a weight of 1.96 pounds make it easy to handle and store. The manufacturer OXO is known for its quality kitchen products, and this skillet,